Hey guys, my name is Jeremie and today I'm going to speak you about the hardware of our bartender project. In this video, I'm going to details how we've made to design all the machine and what material we have used to convert our ideas into a real and functional project. In this first post, my job is to speak about the mechanical part of the project, then how to build the device. My colleague Benoit recorded a second video where he explains the electrical material, then how the device, the Raspberry and the Arduino are connected together. The major idea of this project was to use only or to use a maximum of recovered material, firstly because we are students and we have limited budget, and also to make sure that everyone is able to reproduce the project. Let's go for the first step. We can go on with the first step, that is to build the body frame of the machine. To make this, we have used recovered wooden board from my attic. That is not MDF, but it could have been. That is easier to make this with dense wood because the wood doesn't crack after I've inserted a screw within. Then all the boards are shaped into rectangle and joined together with several screws. The size of the structure has been decided by placing 5 bottles aligned and checking the overall length. After this step, when the body frame is fixed to make one piece, we have cut a piece of rigid cardboard and fixed it behind the structure. After, we have placed a wood board in front to block the bottles and make sure that it's not possible for them to go out of the structure. Then, once this job has been carried out, it is time to add some wood boards to realize the axis support for the conveyor. As you can see in here, there are two parallel boards on the left side of the structure, ready to be perforated and to incorporate the shaft to allow the conveyor to work properly. Moreover, a little piece placed on the top of the body frame is added to create a fixation point for all the piping, providing the drink. I will explain you this part later on the video. To come back on the axis support, they are made by inserting a steel pipe surrounded by a PVC one. The diameter of the PVC pipe is slightly wider than the other, and that make it free to rotate around the steel pipe. The rotation is possible thanks to the glide between the steel and the PVC. The next step was to think about the stabilization of the glass on the conveyor. Then we have carefully cut a thin wood board with a jigsaw and fix it in the front of the structure. In this case, the conveyor rotates around the axis support and can slide on the wood support to bring stability to the filled glass. Before inserting the electric motor for the conveyor, we have thought about something useful to move the entire structure easily, and then we have took a MDF plate that is the base of the machine. Thanks to this, we can place the machine wherever we want. Moreover, the structure is reinforced by its fixation on this plate. After this, the bartender is ready to be painted. Once again, we have chosen a recovered material. That's why the structure is painted black. Then the final step was to insert auxiliary components on the structure as the pumps, the piping, and all the electronics that command all the operation. At first, we have just perforated the board on the top of the structure, just in here, and fixed a threaded rod on it. The rod extremity height corresponds at the top of the glass, where the liquids are poured, and an annular wood board is fixed on this extremity, 5 holes are perforated where are inserted each pipe. Each pipe comes from a bottle, go through the pump in here, and finally go out by this pipe that is inserted in the annular wood board that I was speaking about previously. We have chosen not to make the piping visible. Then we have put a whole cable duct to insert all the pipes. These pipes are traditional plastic pipes used for all domestic hydraulic applications. That's all for me for today. I hope you enjoy watching this video and thanks for watching. The next video is going to talk about the electrical component. Then don't forget to stay tuned for this and see you next time.